Hey guys, welcome to TechTim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can send large files in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. After go to Gmail, what you're going to do is go to here, compose. Then you have to write here the email address whom you want to send the file, full email address @ or the recipient. Then you can do this, put the subject line here. Then you have to go back down and you'll find here attach files, this one. Click on this and just choose a video from your computer or desktop or mobile, anywhere like this, and you can see this is 215 megabytes. That's why it will go in as a Google Drive link. It will not go directly in mail, it will go as Google Drive link. Okay, so let's wait till it's end. Okay, we can see this now, it has ended. Now if you want to write anything like description, just write it here. If all good, then just click on send. Then give access to anyone, allow anyone with the link to view, so anyone can open and see this video what you have sent. Click on send, and now let's check. Go to send. You can see this, your file has been sent as a Google Drive link. People can download it from here like this, and people can organize in Google Drive if they click on this. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.